लर्न इंग्लिश विथ टीचर बोरुडे सर. डे 20. नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ज्ञानगंगा एक शैक्षणिक चळवळ या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपले सहर्ष स्वागत. आपण जर या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका, कारण येणारे जे नवीन नवीन व्हिडिओ आहे ते आपणास सबस्क्राईब केल्यामुळे त्वरित उपलब्ध होतील. आजच्या भागात आपण बघणार आहोत ब्लेंड वर्ड सेंटेन्स रीडिंग. BR सेज ब्र, CR सेज क्र. वाक्य वाचन. RAM राम, IS is a BRAV brave, BOY boy. Ram is a brave boy. याची ही CRACKS cracks. THE the POT pot. He cracks the pot. Do BREAK FAST breakfast at MORNING morning. Do breakfast at morning. IT eat IS is a VANILA vanilla, FLAVOUR flavor. IC ice CREAM cream. It is a vanilla flavor ice cream. BRAIN brain, IS is THE the MAIN main, PART part, OF of, THE the BODY body. Brain is the main part of the body. BRICK brick, IS is BROWN brown, IN in COLOUR color. Brick is brown in color. SHC MAKES makes, CRISPY crispy, CHIPS chips. C makes crispy chips. SMALL small, BOY boy, STARTED started, TO2 CRY cry, LOUDLY loudly. Small boy started to cry loudly. BRUSH brush, IS is IN in, THE the, BOX box. Brush is in the box. TEAM team, WINS wins, THE the, CRICKET cricket, MATCH match. Team wins the cricket match. BROTHER brother, BRINGS brings, PEN pen, FOR for, SISTER sister. Brother brings pen for sister. THE the, CRANE crane, IS is VERY very, LARG large. The crane is very large. HE PLAY play, CRICKET cricket, WEL well. He plays cricket well. HE BROK broke, THE the, CAR car. He broke the car. SHECWEARS wears, THE the, QUEENS queens, CROWN crown. She wears the queen's crown. IT it LOOKS looks, VERY very, CRUD crude. It looks very crude. HELICOPTER helicopter, IS is CRASHED crashed. Helicopter is क्रॅश. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, काळजीपूर्वक वाचन करून आपल्या वहीमध्ये नोट डाऊन करावे. थँक्यू.